Welcome to Understanding and Supporting Transitions. Today we are going to talk about transitions and what we can do to support our youngest children. This video will discuss three important topics about transitions: child development, temperament, and strategies that help children. It's important to consider that early childhood is full of changes for young children. Transitions may be challenging for children because they are also learning about expressing and managing their feelings, learning about new environments, and they are just developing a sense of time and place. In addition to children's many developing skills, their temperament influences how they learn and experience transitions. Temperament can be defined as a person's nature or character and often is noticeable from a very young age. This influences how we form relationships with others and the world around us. In a general sense, we can think about our children's temperament type in two categories, although rarely do they fit in one category all of the time. The first type, keep it the same kids, tend to thrive on order and predictable routines to feel safe and secure. They may need lots of time and support to get comfortable in new surroundings or with new people. The second, change it up kids, find new jackets, new friends, new foods, and new babysitters interesting. They usually adapt quite well almost anywhere you take them. Remember, these are general types, and all children, regardless of their temperament, need routines, loving relationships, and support to cope with change and transitions. Young children rely on trusted adults to help them manage transitions. We can help young children by being aware of our own needs, like hunger or stress, and meeting them, so that we can be available to help children cope. Our first strategy is using auditory cues. You can help a child transition by telling them how much time they have left for an activity. For example, in 2 minutes, we are going to clean up our toys. Using simple language like, first we put away the blocks, then we wash our hands, helps children know what is coming next. Not only is music fun, but when we sing a song related to the transition, it is a clear signal that we are changing our activity. Many children find comfort in using an item to help them transition between activities or places. One of our favorite items is a small book. It can be a store-bought book or one you make with your child with pictures of their favorite things. Everyone feels important when they participate in family routines. At the store, give your child a list to check off or allow them to hold a door open for you. Giving your child a job to do when it is time to transition will distract them and keep them busy doing what you want them to do. The power of two is an amazing tool that can be used for many parts of your day. Children love to feel in control, and if you give them two options that you are happy with, everyone wins. At your next transition, think of your child's development, temperament, and try a strategy that you think might help. Not every strategy will work every time, but we hope you now have some new tools in your parenting toolbox. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on social media for all things inclusion.